Hi, I'm Dr. Waby, Associate Professor for Biomedical Science and Programme Leader for BSc Biomedical Science. So what is Biomedical Science at the University of Bradford? This is a 3-year programme specifically designed for those with an interest in understanding human biology and how disease can alter cell and tissue function. The programme offers insight into the diagnosis and treatment of disease. The Biomedical Science programme is externally accredited by the Institute of Biomedical Science and the Royal Society of Biology. These external accreditations demonstrate the esteem of the programme and as a graduate will enhance your employability. The course is built around ensuring you gain the skills and knowledge required for success in your chosen career. From day one, you will be in the laboratory building your practical skills. Each year you will undertake a research project to apply your knowledge in a real-life situation. In year 1, the research project is conducted in a group. In year 2, you work in pairs before you complete your final year research project. This strategy makes sure that you're prepared for your final year research project and ensures your success. The content you'll learn at university, combined with the skills you'll develop throughout your course, opens up the potential for a number of career pathways. With further studies, graduates from this course can choose careers such as Physician's Associate, Postgraduate Entry Medicine, Clinical Scientist Training Programmes, Embryology Training Programmes, or Science Teaching. In addition, students with a degree in biomedical science can apply directly for work as laboratory scientists, for example in veterinary labs, pharmaceutical companies, or toxicology or water testing laboratories. Our teaching staff include registered practitioners who bring their experience and knowledge into the classroom, with additional specialist guest lecturers providing further expert insight and instruction. They provide your training in modern facilities on high-end equipment such as iStan, Anatomage and digital pathology suites. Our state-of-the-art facilities allow you to expand your knowledge of anatomy at both the macro and micro scale through virtual organ dissection and digital pathology. The placements team are also there to offer you support should you wish to convert to a 4-year course and do a study abroad or a placement year. Throughout your degree, you will also develop your data analysis, scientific writing and teamwork skills. Initially covering the core subjects, you will build a solid foundation before progressing to the clinical aspects, including medical microbiology, infectious disease, clinical biochemistry and pathology. In year 2, the course focuses on disease progression, outcomes and treatment options. The final year of the programme is focused on studying your chosen employability route, which is either research design, science education, or industry innovation and healthcare science. These 3 modules focus on ensuring you're prepared for your chosen career path. The core year 3 modules, biology, disease, clinical genetics and genomic medicine, will cover key applications of biomedical science in disease prevention, treatment and diagnosis. You are also introduced to next-generation sequencing technologies and the approaches needed to handle large datasets which are produced by large-scale sequencing. In addition, you will select an optional content-based module from cancer biology, diagnostic microbiology, diagnostic histopathology, or diagnostic biochemistry and immunology. Your assignments are mixed, covering a wide range of approaches. You will have multiple choice exams, short answer question exams, essay-based exams, practical reports, data handling, and case studies. In your final year, you will undertake an individual research project, which involves the generation of new scientific knowledge. This is presented in a dissertation, as well as at our poster showcase event, which is attended by all students on the programme, as well as external companies. As a biomedical science student, you will have the opportunity to become a student representative for the Student Staff Liaison Committee, where you will champion student issues and improve your course. In addition, you may wish to become a student ambassador and represent your course and university at open days and outreach events. The programme offers the option to convert to a 4-year course should you wish to do a placement year or study abroad year. Our dedicated placements team are on hand to support you in finding a suitable placement and can advise on funding opportunities. At Bradford, we offer a wide range of additional support to our students, such as a personal academic tutor, counselling services, and disability services. If you choose to do a 4-year programme, you'll be allocated a dedicated academic to support you whilst you're on placement or studying abroad. If this programme sounds like the one for you, then please visit our website for more information. You can also join us for an open day to tour the campus and meet the teaching staff. If you already have an offer from us, then please come along to an experience day to get a taste of what studying here is like. We look forward to meeting you there.